So do you read the reviews before you buy a new kitchen appliance, or do you just buy it because it matches your kitchen and the price is right? Well, here's more on what can happen when you don't check out what other customers have to say, so you don't waste your money. Pam Coy's Samsung fridge looks great, but it has a big problem.
Doesn't make ice. Doesn't make any ice.
Like dozens of people who posted complaints at consumeraffairs.com, Pam says the ice maker has been trouble almost since the beginning.
After about a year, the ice maker quit working. So we had it replaced.
Repairmen have replaced it and replaced it and replaced it again. And now, with her warranty expired, the next repair is on her. Pam says every time a repairman comes to fix the ice maker, it works fine for a few weeks, and then the mechanism right in there starts to fail all over again.
It works for maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks, and then it doesn't work. The ice is very wet. It drips down the front of the ice maker.
Now, a Philadelphia law firm, KS&G, has filed a class action lawsuit stating the problem is widespread, resulting in leaking and slush and overfreezing. Samsung won't comment on the suit, but after the Don't Waste Your Money team called, it has agreed to replace Pam's fridge. Pam's hoping so because now the freezer door has gone bad as a result.
Because we have to keep ice in our freezer, ice bags to get ice, we've opened and closed the freezer so much that that handle has broken and had to be replaced on us.
So if you're buying a kitchen appliance, read real customer reviews and Google complaints before you buy so you don't waste your money. Dave?